In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your HubSpot certification all in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a marketing enthusiast, a sales specialist, or a business professional looking to expand your knowledge, earning this certification can be a valuable asset. So let's dive right into the process. First things first, let's get you started by opening up your internet browser and heading over to Google. This step is the gateway to the HubSpot universe, and it's as easy as pie. Once you're on Google, you'll want to type in HubSpot Academy into the search bar. This academy is a treasure trove of knowledge, offering a variety of free courses that will empower you with the skills you need in today's digital world. After typing HubSpot Academy, you should see it pop up as one of the top search results. It's usually marked distinctly, so it shouldn't be too hard to spot. Go ahead and give it a click. This will direct you to the HubSpot Academy homepage, the starting line of your certification journey. Now that you're on the HubSpot Academy website, it's time to sign yourself up for some free courses. Look for the button that says Sign up for free courses. This is your entry ticket to all the learning resources HubSpot has on offer. Once clicked, you'll be prompted to create an account if you don't have one already. Signing up is straightforward. You just need to provide some basic details, and you'll be ready to start exploring the course catalog. Navigating through the available courses, you'll find a variety of topics suited to different interests and professional needs. HubSpot offers certifications in inbound marketing, content marketing, sales enablement, and more. Choose the one that aligns best with your goals. Most courses are self-paced, so you can learn at your own convenience, making it ideal for fitting around your busy schedule. Don't forget to take notes during the video lessons. You'll need these when it comes time to pass the certification exam. The exams are typically multiple choice and designed to test your understanding of the course material. Don't worry if you don't pass on the first attempt, you can retake the test after reviewing the lessons. To sum it up, go to Google, search for HubSpot Academy, click on the result, sign up for the free courses, and select the course that suits you. With dedication and focus, you'll be on your way to acquiring valuable skills and that coveted HubSpot certification. Good luck and happy learning.